Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase vitamin D and B12 naturally. First, let's understand why these vitamins are crucial for your health. Vitamin D supports bone health and immunity, while B12 is vital for nerve function and energy. We'll explore practical, step-by-step approaches you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. Get ready to feel more energized and support your overall well-being with these natural strategies. To naturally boost your vitamin D, prioritize safe sun exposure. Spending about 10 to 30 minutes outdoors during midday a few times a week can significantly help. Remember to protect your skin from sunburn. Dietary sources are also key. Include fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, and tuna in your meals. Additionally, look for foods fortified with vitamin D, such as certain dairy products, cereals, and plant-based milks, to further support your intake. Increasing your vitamin B12 naturally often involves dietary adjustments. For non-vegans, excellent sources include meat, poultry, eggs, and dairy products. If you follow a plant-based diet, look for fortified foods like nutritional yeast, certain plant milks, and breakfast cereals. It's also important to support good digestion, as this helps your body absorb B12 efficiently from the foods you eat. A healthy gut is crucial for maximizing nutrient uptake. By consistently applying these natural strategies, you can effectively increase your vitamin D and B12 levels. Remember to combine safe sun exposure with a diet rich in appropriate foods. Always consult your doctor for personalized advice and to monitor your vitamin levels, ensuring you meet your specific health needs. And hey, while you're optimizing your health, why not optimize your home? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make life a little easier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.